How are you foodies? Welcome back to our channel Cravings Video Feelings. Today's recipe is the mixture of sweet and tangy flavors. This incredible recipe with sweet and tangy flavors will take you out of the world. Let's see the recipe for this French origin mustard chicken or Dijon chicken. These are chicken breast up here. Here we have to roast the chicken. That's why we need the big sizes of chicken, as chicken is tend to shrink once it get roasted. So we'll cut in this way. If this kind of chicken breast is not available, you can use simple boneless chicken, but it should be in big size. Now we want some chunks of chicken. So boneless chicken we'll cut in very small pieces, the way we have cut in our chicken popcorn recipe. If you haven't seen my chicken popcorn recipe, I request to please watch unique way to make crispy chicken popcorn at home. Let's chop some onion. We need very finely chopped onion. So slice it, then cut it in half and then chop it. It will give you very finely chopped onion. Let's chop rest of the onion in the same way. Now remove the chopped onion and clean your chopping board. Quickly we'll chop some coriander leaves also. Let's move towards our marination process. Spread your chicken pieces on a clean mat. Now we have placed all the chicken. We'll sprinkle some salt and some black pepper powder. And to mix it, we'll put some oil in this. So in this way, salt and black pepper will get equally spread in all the pieces. We have to marinate from both the sides and we'll take in a bowl. Now add chili flakes, the chopped coriander and some mixed herbs. Now let's roast the chicken. For roasting we need oil, very little oil in a pan. Place all marinated chicken properly. So this chicken we have kept for marination for 10 to 15 minutes. Now let it cook from one side. It will change its color. As you can see, the sides has become white in color. Now we'll flip it to the other side. With the help of tongue, we'll flip the chicken pieces to other side. As it is cooked, it is become little stiff and it will turn very easily. As you can see, chicken has left its water and it's looking so amazing. This recipe is very tasty. You guys gonna love it. Do try this recipe and give thumbs up if you like it and subscribe my channel for more such videos. Chicken are ready. Let's make the sauce. I am using the same pan as it has the chicken flavor in it, and in the same oil I have added the chopped onion and will fry till it becomes translucent. Now it's time to add our chicken chunks. So I've added here and we'll fry it till chicken turns into white. It will take hardly 2 minutes for the chicken to cook, as it is in very small pieces. Now it's time to add real flavor of this dish, that is honey based mustard sauce. If you don't have honey mustard sauce, you can add mustard sauce and honey separately. To neutralize the mustard taste, we'll add fresh cream. Be sure your flame should be low when you add fresh cream. We don't need to cook the fresh cream, only we have to mix it properly with the mustard sauce. Our tangy flavor is done. Now for spices, here goes some chili flakes. We'll add black pepper powder and mix it. To make gravy creamy, we'll grate some cheese. Cheese is the king. It goes with all the dishes and loved by everyone. Now to balance the consistency, we'll add milk in this, and because of milk it will become more creamy as it has cheese, fresh cream, mustard sauce. Yummy. One thing here I want to tell you, if it is cold and you want to reheat it, then add little milk in it and heat. So our gravy is also ready. Let's plate it. For plating, take a plate and place the sauce gravy on it. Make it like a bed for the chicken. Place the roasted chicken one by one on top of it like this and garnish with some mustard sauce, and we'll decorate it with the mustard sauce little bit. Now decorate it or garnish it with some coriander leaves. Shred some cheese on top of it and serve it hot. Try and taste this amazing recipe and enjoy. Hope you enjoyed my video. Do like and subscribe for more such videos. Be safe, be healthy and keep eating. Thank you. Bye-bye.